Are you updating index number by dragging your mouse like this? When it comes to an end, in case if you had another product name, so are you dragging the number like this? No worries, we can use a formula to get that updated automatically. Type sequence and also type count a formula, then select just type -1 and close bracket. That's it. Entire index number have been updated. In case if you had any other product, the number gets updated automatically. Also, if you need to update any text before the number, just select the column and press Ctrl 1, click on custom. Here, just type your text and click OK. That's it. ID has been updated till down. The same if you update any product, it gets updated automatically.